Hi everyone, back with another keto recipe. We've got chicken Alfredo stuffed cabbage, which will serve 5 people. Here's what you will need. 1 pound of the ground chicken, a bag of the frozen rice cauliflower, a head of cabbage. You'll need real butter, ragu Alfredo sauce, or whichever Alfredo you like, a powder form of a chicken bouillon, pink salt and pepper, onion and garlic powder, oregano flakes. You'll need a 1 cupper, a tablespoon, a fry pan with spatula, a cake pan, and a big pot for boiling water. All right, let's start by preheating the oven to 400. And then on the stove, we're going to cook up our ground chicken on a medium heat. And you're going to add over that heavily pink salt, light pepper, light oregano, onion, and garlic powder, all to taste. Cover and let cook on the one side. Now let's boil up your cabbage. So add a bunch of water in a pot, wash your cabbage. And I forgot to cut the core out, and turn the stove on a high heat for the water to boil and stick in your cabbage. I just forgot to take out the core, if you know what I mean, the end of the head. You want to cut that out. It'll just be easier. While that's cooking, let's heat up our cauliflower rice in the microwave. Mine takes 6 minutes. Now it would be time to flip over your ground chicken and season it again with the same seasonings. And then you're going to go ahead and cover this and let it finish cooking. Once it's done cooking, you want to drain out all the water, because I did add a little bit of water to it in the beginning. And then chop it up into bite-sized pieces, let it finish cooking. When it's done, take a 12-ounce bag of riced cauliflower after it's been heated in the microwave. Then you want to pour that in. Also pour 1 cup of the Alfredo sauce. Give it a good mix. And then mix over that pink salt, pepper, and oregano flakes. Give it a good stir. Keep it on a medium heat, just cooking it for about another 5 minutes. Then we're going to lower the heat to low. You're going to cover it, and you're just going to let it cook for 10-15 minutes. Now, your cabbage, you don't want to overcook it. You don't want to undercook it. As soon as they are ready to start peeling off, peel it off. Otherwise, they will break apart if you go too long. I made 10 wraps with this, so it'll be 10 of those heads. Then take from that same boiling water 1 cup, add a tablespoon of the chicken bouillon, give that a good stir, and pour that at the bottom of your cake pan. Then you're going to take 1 wrap each of your head of cabbage. Now put a paper towel under your hand because it's pretty hot. And then add a spoonful, which is about a 1/2 cup or a 1/4 cup of the mixture. And then wrap it and then lay it flat down with the wrap part down in your pot. And there you'll see all 10 done. And then you're going to put a tablespoon of real butter over each one. Pink salt and pepper. Wrap it with Reynolds wrap. And then stick it into the oven. And we're going to cook this for 20 minutes. When it's done, go ahead and pull them out and then serve them up. And you'll see a little video here. I also take some of the juice there and pour it over the wraps. And each one is a serving, 2 wraps for a serving, or 2 stuffed cabbage is the serving at 5.3 net carbs. And these are absolutely delicious. My husband loved them. I believe your entire family would love this. So go ahead and try them out. Keep it keto.